Hey everybody, this is the handbag hauler here coming to do my morning rush. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Hit that bell button for my notifications. Thank you all who are returning members. I have a lot to talk about in about 5 minutes because this is the morning rush. So I had to come really quick to switch bags, of course, but talk about bag organization. Tote bags, larger bags, whatever you choose to carry, and how important it is. So I just got finished watching Dooney 615, her latest cart video, what's in her cart, and with Dooney and Bourke has some great sales going on. I have plenty of stuff in my cart, and I was able to use 2 of the codes that they have, and I can show you my cart later, but however, she made a very good point, and I'm so grateful to her for this suggestion. So in my bag right now, I just kind of got everything thrown in this bag because you cannot put a insert in here because it has this middle pocket, and this is a pretty sturdy and structured bag, so I don't really need an insert for this. However, it's frustrating to me because I have a lot of stuff in here, and I find myself always digging around in my bag trying to find stuff, especially little things that I have thrown around. And one of the things I have in my bag is my charger for my computer, and it always bothers me because sometimes I might put a bottled water in my bag, and sometimes, you know, the bottled water, if it's warm, it may have some condensation on the outside of it, and it just kind of makes me nervous because I got my cord in here. But however, she brought up a good idea to purchase, I forget the actual what was it? It was, oh my God, let me open up my computer real quick. But anyway, while I'm opening up my computer to remember what the bag was that she, the SLG that she talked about that would be a good fit for your tech needs, is the Florentine large framed purse. And let me show you what I'm talking about really quick here. Bring this into view. This Florentine large frame purse, she said this would be, and look at the price, y'all. Okay, look at the price, from $99. So she said that would be a great option for your tech needs, and so I have one of those in my cart. I might put a few more since they're only $39. This is like a great price, and it's Florentine, and that will pretty much take care of my concern about my tech getting wet, or, you know, the cord wearing out at the ends. And I think this one is still in good shape on the ends, but I do have a concern about that. And so right now I just have my tech for the house in this pouch. Yeah, I have it. So I keep this at the house, and this is just one of the extra bags that they gave with my bag insert. And I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna use this for, but I'm glad I kept it, because I wasn't gonna keep it, but I'm glad I kept it. And so I just keep that for the house in there. However, you know how us handbag women do. We want something that looks nice with our, I don't want to pull out a big bright pink felt bag from this pretty blue Brahmin tote. You know what I mean? So I wanted to find something that will go well with my bags, whatever bag it is, and not look so odd coming out of the bag. So yes, I really am going to do that, because even right now I'm just kind of throwing this in my bag, and then I'll put my computer in there too. But having the different bags for storage, or small leather goods for storage and things like that, I think that is a wonderful idea to do that. So let me know what you guys think about that, and if you have any other suggestions on bags that you use from other designers, whatever it is, Dooney bags, Coach, Louis Vuitton, whatever. I'm open to many suggestions. So, but I think that is a very good idea to do that. And as you can see, I have brown and white on right now, and that does not go together. But since I'm running late, this is what they're gonna get today. I was gonna put, put everything in my Marc Jacobs tote bag, but I don't know if I might have time to do that. So I just wanted to come to you guys and let you all know that I appreciate the suggestions, the ideas that you all give, because they are really helpful tips for me at least. And I'll normally listen to you guys while I'm getting ready for work to see what's going on out there, the sales and all that good stuff. So I wanted to show you my appreciation and just say thanks for your tips, thanks for your support, thanks for all of that. And I think that this handbag community is a very good community, and I just love the support and all of that. I can just keep going on and on, but I got to get to work. So thank you guys, and let me know what you think. And I know I'll be doing some reviews and haul videos because this Dooney sale is just too great. So let me just switch over here really quick to show you guys what I have in my cart right now. So these are some very good sales. So I have the Florentine large frame case, as you saw, for $39. The Pebble Grain business card case, $19. The Pebble Grain top zip card case wristlet, $32. The Pebble Grain large slim wristlet, $45. The DB75, $49. The Florentine crossbody pouch, today for $79. Like, these are some very, very good sales, you guys. I hope you check them out. Check out Dooney Addict 615. She goes through these in detail and really gives you some great ideas for these types of goods. So I am signing off. Arrivederci. Thank you again for joining me. Hit that like and subscribe button, and I'm going to switch out my bags real quick, and I'm going to get up out of here. All right, everybody. Bye-bye.